from this amateur lighting to this cinematic lighting in a small home. Hi friends, I'm Shannon and welcome to The Automated Boss, where we help solopreneurs and small business owners increase work efficiency by reviewing and sharing useful softwares, tech, and productivity hacks. Quite a few friends commented that my previous videos look really good and professional. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can light your videos in a small home or room like where I am right now. So your videos can go from this very meh, average, beginner-ish looking videos to this way more cinematic and professional look instantly. So first of all, I need my room to be dark. As dark as my skin color, I'm actually really tan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this curtain. Next, I'm going to turn off my room light. So you can tell the difference in the background instantly, right? It's so much darker over here, but here's a little bit bright, but it will do. What's lighting up my face right now is actually my table light. It's light bulbs. I'm not sure if you can see. Yep. So it's like those makeup light bulbs that I bought off online and then just stuck it on to my table. I also have these warm lights. They're fairy lights. Yep, just for decoration and a little bit of mood lighting for myself. And that's what's lighting up my face. But it is still a little bit dark over here in my forehead area. So I'm using these Lume Cubes, really small and tiny. As you can see, can fit in my palm. And I'm going to use these to light my face. If I'm using this to shine directly on my face, it's going to be a bit too bright. As you can see over here. So instead of shining it straight on my face, I'm going to just tilt it up a little bit. And because I'm not using a tripod, it's a little bit hard to adjust, but you can do that if you want to. Oops. And then the lighting is actually much softer on my face already. Now, if you want it to be a little bit brighter, you can actually adjust the intensity too. So let me show you. So this is level 3 that I started off with. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total, that's 10 levels, and then this is back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's just do 5 for now. And ta-da! Let's take a look at the before and now the after. I actually have fairy lights over here that you can see. It's from IKEA. Before, after. This is so beautiful, right? I'm also going to turn this on. It's actually a light over here. Ta-da! I love this light, this tree light that I named it. This will actually be a huge upgrade for your videos already. But if you want to go one step further, let me show you another thing that you can do, which is to use even more lighting. Zing, 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 zing. Now I can actually change this light to different colors and modes. So I've already preset this previously to a pinkish color. I am going to place this over here. You can try other areas of your room, house as well, up to you. So what you want to do is actually to kind of face this against the wall so it is reflecting, the light is reflecting to the wall and then it's bouncing out. And you can see it's a beautiful glow. Now you can adjust this as well. If you're facing up, it'll be like this. If you're facing towards the camera, it'll be like this. If you're facing to the wall, it will be like this. Next, I'm going to use another light over here, which I've already set it to a bluish teal, and I'm going to place it at different places. So it's really testing and learning, just trial and error. So if I place it here, this looks actually not bad. There's like bluish here and a pinkish here and some warm lights here, and there's warm light from the window as well. Or I can try, maybe I want to put it over here towards the back. That's not too bad too. But there's a little bit of empty space over here. So if I have another light, I can just place it over here or maybe even here. Oh, this actually gives a really cool effect. Like there's a big more light shooting upwards, really cool. And because I do have more lights, I'm going to place it over here. Some of you might feel that the lights can be a little bit distracting because of the bright colors involved. And looking at the screen right now, I'm kind of feeling that a little bit because there's too many different colors. So I'm probably going to change this light to a warmish orange color. So it's just one color and two colors like this. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you can be notified of more useful softwares and hacks like today's video.